Hey guys, you am here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be solving another challenge. This one from Hacker Hank, and let's see how it goes. But before we jump in, just please share, subscribe, leave a comment, and all of that. So without any further ado, let's jump into this challenge. So a space explorer ship crashed on Mars. They sent a series of SOS messages to Earth for help. Okay, interesting. The name of the challenge is Mars Exploration, and it's about strings. Let's see. Letters in some of the SOS messages are altered by cosmic radiation during transmission. Given the signal received by Earth as string S, determine how many letters of the SOS message have been changed by radiation. Example SOSTOT. The original message was SOS. Two of the message's characters were changed in transit. Complete the Mars exploration function in the editor below. Mars exploration has the following parameters: as the string was received on Earth, returns int, the number of letters changed during transmission, input format, there is one line of input, a single string s constraint, the length of, okay, the length of s is between 1 and 99, length of s modulo 3 equals 0. Okay, so the length of s, its modulo 3 equals 0. Okay, so it's always, yeah, okay, so it's always multiple by 3, right? Multiple of 3, I guess. S will contain only uppercase English letters. Ask A to Z. Uppercase English letters, okay. Interesting, so it's just uppercase. We don't need to check if it's a lowercase or not. All right, all right. So simple input 0, simple input O, expected signal. Okay, and we need to return the count of it. Okay, guys, it seems to be very simple. So what we should do here is using a strategy called window, right? We can use a window algorithm, string window. I don't know, I don't remember exactly the name, but I think we use the window pattern. So basically, for this case, for example, let's get one of here. Yeah, let's get this one, for example. Just okay. So start here. Just start. So we first define a window of 3. So the length, the window would be uh, size 3. So first we just consider this, for example. So for the first window, we have SOS. Then we move from here to here. We move 2 places, right? 0, 1, 2. Move 3 places actually, and then we just check again. TOT. So this is the first thing. We need to define this window, and since it is multiple of 3, we can consider that this is enough. The length can be from 1 to 99. Interesting. Why it's not from 3 here? Okay, interesting. Okay, um, let's consider like that, and if it fails, we consider uh, a string of 1 or 2 that we just use the guard to check these edge cases. But okay, so then after having the window, we need to check the missing letters, right, or the changed letters. So then we can, since it's just 3, we can just check one by one, or we can do a for, right? So we can maybe use like having a var array, um, how can we call that? Expected message can be an array of SOS. Then we have an array of characters. Um, Also, we can change, this can be lets as well. We can have an array of S array. It can be an array of S. There's also an array of characters. Then we have the window size. So that window size that we need. That is equal to 3, right? And then we can do like var index. It will be like 0, and while index plus window size minus 1 should be less than array dot count. Here we have our while, and after that our index can be like this, right? I mean, we don't need to check this, otherwise we would miss the last parameter, right? The last window. All right. What else? So then we would have to have a var missing, or maybe response. Let's call it like that. And then here we should have a for y in index until index plus window size. And then from here we just check the array of y is equal if the array of y is equal to expected message okay, so y 0, 1, 2 so would be fine, but if it is 3, 4, 5, then we should do what? Then this index 3. Okay, this should be y minus index, right? And if it is different, then response should increase. Response is not good. Missing, how they call it? Missing characters. Let's call it like that. And then we just respond this. Yeah, let's see. Let's put some prints here. Let's run first, right? And then we put some prints if it's not working. Okay. Index out of range for all the cases. So why? Okay, let's start without using this. Let's start comparing if as array of index equal to expected message 0. Let's put it like that first. Equalizing in 1 plus 1 plus 2. Okay, still returning error. Okay, and index. Let's see the index. I think the issue is here. Okay. What's wrong with this? Let's try to get the things from here. Start. Why it's not getting here? What's wrong with that? This is the issue, right? This is where the issue are. So let's start doing this. Zero, one, two. So and let's put it like here. Expected message, and then as array. Why am I doing wrong? Let's see. Okay, so for this case, SOS, SOS, SPS, SKS, SOR. Okay, so we have everything here. For this case, the output is 0 because the first three are correct, right? So what's wrong here? So let's start with this thing and see what's wrong. Okay, so the index will start with 0, then it will jump into 2. 0, 1, 2. Actually, it should jump into 3, right? So it's not. So closing the size. 2, then 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11. Okay. Yeah, the issue is because uh, it was using -1, right? Okay, so now I think we get it. So now we just have to uncomment this, uncomment this. Now it should work. Okay. So now this might work. So now let's put it like that. Yeah, let's for let's rephrase this for y in 0 until window size and then um, missing characters would be index plus y The expected message would be Y. And we could do it like that instead. If this is okay, missing characters plus equal to 1. Then I can remove this, and this, and this. And I think it's done. Let's remove this explanation as well. Yeah, I think it's done. What? Oh, if it is different, not equal. Yeah, if it is different, it should sum up. All right. Um, let's submit it. Okay, guys, we did it. Great. So thank you for joining me with this, and I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe, guys. Bye bye.